This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see me analyze that data. Like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative to the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the bad actors have been doubling down and tripling down on GME. The Fintel data on GME is totally out of control. It, in my opinion, is just more evidence of the fraud and corruption, and the level of counterfeit shares of GME is totally next level. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. I'm just giving you the information and giving you my analysis of the information so that I can entertain you. Okay? According to the data, GME volume was 2,662,272. And of course, you're still reporting 48.06% of GME shares of DRS. But like I tell you guys every day, I believe that is absolute nonsense. I believe that number is too low. I believe a whole lot more of GME shares of DRS. It's just that they control the data and they put out the data that supports their narrative. The calls in the money of GME is 1,979. And if GME hits $20, there'll be another 30,327 shares in the money. And like I tell you guys every day, these numbers mean absolutely nothing to me. They make no sense whatsoever because there will be no gamma squeeze. There will be no hedging because they can make an infinite number of counterfeit GME shares. So they never have to go out in the open market to buy any shares. And they control when the share price of GME goes, you know, when the call is going to be exercised. When it goes into call mode, they decide that price. I mean, they control GME. They have it in a chokehold, and nothing's going to happen until these bad actors run out of liquidity. That's really the bottom line, in my opinion. Okay? Fintel is reporting that there's 60,104,877 GME shares available to short. That is absolutely crazy. These numbers make no sense whatsoever, and I can't understand how the SEC doesn't see a problem with this. And yesterday was 25.277 days to cover. It has went down to 24.87 days to cover, which should mean that somehow somebody covered some counterfeit GME shares yesterday, but the price went down. So how did based on the data from Fintel, they're alleging that the days to cover went down, which would mean that some people covered their GME short positions, but the price went down. How are people covering their shorts, but the price of GME is going down? It's absolutely crazy. It is criminal behavior. But the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI sit on the sidelines and do absolutely nothing. And yesterday, 66.4% of the GME volume was shorted shares. So 1,800,000 more or less of the GME shares was shorted shares. And then we go back to the same thing. Where did these shares come from? Where did they originate? Where's the blue sheets? Where's the chain of custody? They don't have them, in my opinion, because they don't exist. These guys just lend the same shares over and over and over again, or the market makers keep selling shares sold, not yet purchased, because they can create infinite counterfeit shares with no real consequences because we have no regulatory agencies that protect retail investors. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think something has to be going on where the days to cover went from 25 to 24, yet the price of GME went down instead of going up, if these bad actors allegedly covered some short positions? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.